problems that can be made worse by a change in your physical activity?
Nope.
Okay. Is your doctor currently prescribing any medications for your blood pressure or heart condition?
No.
Thought about it, Tom.
Well, I was.
See?
I was thinking about Lipitor is not actually Lipitor.
Tom, Tom,
for
if you
cholesterol.
listen, Tom's gonna get on my fitness floor.
I do take aspirin.
He's not gonna make
Okay, to
it.
thin out the blood.
Tom, I have some
81
concerns.
milligrams.
I have some concerns, Tom. All right.
But I don't know if Lipitor is actually for the heart. I guess.
Yeah, it is. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. So that's a yes.
I take the Dramamine.
It's a couple yeses
Yeah,
on here.
yeah.
It's a couple yeses
Yeah.
on here.
But the doctor didn't say don't exercise. The doctor said just the opposite.
Yeah, no, but she's asking whether you're taking meds.
Right. I
For your
okay,
heart.
so you can say yes for that.
You could say Tom. Tom, listen. By the way, I really like that name. I'm gonna keep saying it. It's so quick and short. I love it. Do you know any reason why you should not engage in physical activity?
No.
Okay. Tom, I answered yes. Assessment over.
So they will say that if
Yeah,
you
no,
get,
it says that.
yeah, if you get one red flag there, then that could be reason to get a doctor's note. Yeah, and in the case of these things, that's why they're so heavily oriented towards heart issues for
Right.
obvious reasons. Is better to be safe than sorry. So.
So in that situation,
I would, and I, when I had my own place, if somebody answered yes to any of those, red flag, I want a doctor's note. I want your,
before we even
before
finish,
we,
go
yeah,
through.
well, we might do the rest of the questionnaire, but we're
Okay.
not doing any dynamic warm-up or cardiovascular warm-up or any of that. We're going, okay.
So what?
Anybody-
I was gonna. Oh, go ahead.
I was gonna say, so anybody who's come into the gym who's had any type of heart condition in their lifetime, you would ask them to go back to their cardiologist.
Well, it depends on how recent and the severity and all those things play a role. But I mean, PAR stands for Physical Activity Readiness Questionnaire, and you want to make sure that those are as clean a slate as possible. And again, you got to weigh it out between the expediency of trying to do this and the risk. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, I think you know the answer to that.
What if you were to look by looking at the client's physical condition?
Yeah, but we can't. I mean, you're
Okay,
a case in point,
Right.
right? Because somebody looks at you and they go, like,
He's in shape.
He's in shape. He's no problem. And then you can have people that you look at and you go, wow, that guy's a heart attack waiting to happen.
Right.
And you know, obviously you don't know without doing all kinds of testing, but that person could live to be 100 for all you know.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
So in a situation like this, two scenarios where maybe they're not being 100% honest, that's kind of not our liability, right?
Well,
Like where did these go somewhere where they can be pulled later?
they should be stored. Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they should be used. I mean, they should go in the client's file, is where they should go. And then if, let's say in the hierarchy, you're a trainer and you're concerned, you go to the manager and you go, what should I do here? And if you have any concern or reservations, then that's where you go. You know, don't make the decision. As I said, in my facility before, if we had people that were, and then we also did the ACSM questionnaire, which is a little lengthier, but they kind of corroborate or back each other up. Then you would get, multiple yeses or whatever, and you go, okay, I want you to get clearance before. If your doctor says you're good to go, then fine, but I'm not willing to take that risk.